I'm so into you, baby. I get up, I'm so into you, baby. I get up, I'm so into you.
You got me feeling so smooth, like a warm sunny day on a Sunday afternoon. Let's jump in the ride, let's drive, let's take a cruise. And we're cruising together along the coast and drop the roof, hit the three-wheel motion. 64 Chevy is how we be floating. Eyes on the road so you know we stay focused. Conversing on a level of two spiritual poets. Your love is vivid, we're living, we're trying to get it. Always giving you love and time, that's why we're winning. We're intertwined like the signs of the west side. Your west pride will help to ease the pain and live your best life. Everything I got, I'ma give to you. All you gotta do is just stay true. My baby from the east, I'm from the west where the sun.
Welcome to our channel, the place where you get valuable insights into the world of finance and trading. Today, we're diving into a question that many aspiring traders have: what is the minimum amount of money required to start Forex trading? Stick around until the end because we have an important recommendation for those of you who are serious about starting your Forex journey on the right track. Before we talk about the minimum amount needed, let's understand the basics of Forex trading. Forex, or foreign exchange trading, involves buying and selling currencies in the foreign exchange market. It's one of the largest and most liquid financial markets in the world, allowing traders to profit from currency price movements. Now, let's address the minimum amount required to start Forex trading. Technically, there is no fixed minimum amount mandated by regulatory authorities. Many brokers allow you to open an account with as little as $10. However, if you're serious about trading and want to have a meaningful impact on your investments, we recommend starting with at least $500. Here's why we recommend a minimum of $500. Forex trading involves risks, and having a higher initial investment provides several advantages. It allows you to manage your risks better, have more flexibility in your trading strategies, and ensures that you have enough capital to withstand market fluctuations. For those of you who are very serious about Forex trading, investing at least $500 not only gives you a solid foundation but also signifies your commitment to learning and growing as a trader. Remember, trading is a skill that requires dedication, knowledge, and practice. In conclusion, while you technically can start Forex trading with a minimal amount, investing at least $500 sets you on the right path for a successful trading journey. It provides you with the resources and mindset needed to navigate the complexities of the Forex market. Thank you for joining us today on our channel. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights into the world of finance and trading. Happy trading, and remember, your success begins with the right knowledge and the right investment. Until next time, take care and trade wisely.